मयि लंका न मे रोचते लक्ष्मणः जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. This slok was told by Lord Ram to his younger brother Lakshman. After getting victory from Lankesh, Ravan, the followers of Lord Ram requested him to live in Lanka, in golden Lanka. But Lord Ram said that although this Lanka is made of gold, although this is golden Lanka, I don't want to stay here because my mother and my motherland, my mother and motherland are superior than heaven. Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. It shows the patriotism in our heart, in our mind for our country. So students, we should have patriotism in our mind, in our heart. So we could work together. We could work together for development of the country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Dhanyavad.